Famous monuments from around the world are exceptional testaments to the grandeur and majesty of human ingenuity. From Stonehenge in England to the Great Wall of China, these monuments are silent witnesses to the history and culture of past civilizations. St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican, the Taj Mahal in India, and the Statue of Liberty in the United States are just a few examples of famous monuments that attract millions of visitors every year. In addition to their historical importance, many of these monuments have also become iconic symbols of the countries in which they are located, representing their identity and cultural heritage. The Eiffel Tower in Paris, the Colosseum in Rome, and Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro are just some of the structures that have earned a prominent place in the collective imagination through their extraordinary design and imposing presence. These monuments remind us of the greatness of human ingenuity and the importance of preserving and enhancing our cultural heritage. Visiting these places means immersing yourself in the history and beauty of the world, and understanding that, even if we come from different places, we share the same passion and admiration for the greatness of human creation.